making coconut cake. You're gonna make the cake according to the directions. Got my favorite oil sprayer. Okay, there we go. All right, then we're going to put this in the oven and bake it. Okay, while your cake is hot, you want to poke a whole bunch of holes into it. You're going to take your sweetened condensed milk and you're going to pour it all over the top, okay? But let me show you how to pour it over the top so it doesn't just flood all the edges. Okay, so then we're going to take, so what I do is I pour it in the center first and start letting it ooze in the center first so it doesn't just all slide down into the edges first without getting into the center of the cake, okay? Okay, now we're gonna set this in the fridge for 1 hour before we finish the topping. Here is the poke cake done. Okay, so I got my pineapple and my coconut. Then I've got my Cool Whip. Okay, so we're gonna take all this and put it on our cake. Oh my goodness, yum. And we're going to spread it all over. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Yum. Okay, going to taste test. That is a 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness, that's delicious.